everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. We're glad to have you back here. Today we want to show us how we made this gorgeous dress, right? This is a full dress and it's got a splash of so many colors. Now, did you know that your leftover yarn, your scrap yarn, whatever it is you call this type of yarn, can be sorted and then reused to make gorgeous garments or other gorgeous projects? For those who make amigurumis, several different colors, you could do this. So this is like a pile that one could easily go throw away, and mess up the environment, or maybe choose to burn, and then in the process of burning, you're also messing up the environment by emitting carbon. Yeah, you could actually sort them to different colors like this. Sort them out to little skeins or little balls like this to use for gorgeous projects later, right? So I'm gonna just go quickly ahead to show you how we worked this dress. So this dress can be worked in any um, stitch of your choosing. You could use the single crochet stitch, you could use the half double, you could use the double. Really, it doesn't matter. What makes the dress stand out is the fact that it's got this many beautiful colors, randomly placed together. There was really no plan, so you just pick up the next ball or skein right beside you, work it. When it's done, you pick up the next one, and so on and so forth, right, to create this super beautiful dress. So essentially we worked a yoke. Yeah, you measure. This dress was worked for a size small person, and the neck area, yeah, this is the neck area. We wanted the front part to be sort of wide, not this is not a complete circle. It's almost like it's like a semicircle. All right, and so we worked that part, created the arm hole part where you see this is the stitch where that one particular stitch where you create your increases right there. That's the line, right? And then, as usual, once you get to the width of the chest area, you have to stop increasing and then carve out your arm hole points and work down. Okay, so that's essentially it. It's really easy. The purpose of this video was just to remind us not to throw away our scrap, yeah, instead sort them out this way and use them for other gorgeous projects. I'll just show you a little bit the process we worked this, and then that's about it. Are you subscribed to our channel yet? If you haven't, go do so. Let us know what are the videos or what are the techniques or what are the tips you would like to see us show you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. Do not throw away your scrap yarn, by the way.